The Orillians will be digging out from another substantial snowfall this morning. More than 46 centimeters, 18 inches, of snow has fallen since Friday night, says local amateur weather watcher David Brain. As a result, with 26 days remaining in the first month of 2025, we have just surpassed our monthly average snowfall for January, said Brain. Today may provide a reprieve from the last 36 hours of near-constant snow. Brain said there doesn't appear to be any further significant snow in the forecast this week. That reprieve will be needed to clear streets, sidewalks, and driveways. You can see if your street has been plowed by visiting the city's snowplow tracker. Last night, the steady squall led to havoc on local roads. Highway 11, just south of Orillia, was closed for several hours last night after a tractor-trailer jackknifed on the busy highway at about 9:30 p.m. At that time, Orillia OPP advised people to avoid unnecessary travel in the area. Things got started locally Thursday when about 24 centimeters of snow fell in Orillia. Several roads in Midwestern Ontario are being closed off due to the weather. Snow squalls are currently reducing visibility to the point driving in certain areas has become unsafe. The Ontario Provincial Police, OPP, have closed off all roads in Grey Highlands, Grey Road 7, between Grey Road 13 and Grey Road 40, and Grey Road 12, between Grey Road 30 and Grey Road 40. People caught driving these roads can be fined $85 under the Highway Traffic Act. A squall that settled in over the Orillia area at about 7:30 p.m. Saturday night showed no signs of relenting by 10 p.m. With winds whipping and snow accumulating, road conditions have gone from bad to worse during that time. The Orillia OPP say a tractor-trailer crash has caused traffic chaos on Highway 11 south of Orillia. At about 10 p.m., police noted the southbound lanes of the highway are completely shut down between Line 15 and Line 11 to remove the tractor-trailer that jackknifed on the busy highway. Motorists are asked to follow detour instructions by OPP officers on the scene. Meanwhile, the City of Barrie has declared a significant weather event on Saturday morning in response to the persistent snowfall in the area. In a media release, city staff stated that the declaration is effective as of 9:15 a.m. and that they expect travel and services throughout the municipality to continue getting impacted. Motorists and residents are advised by the city to use extra caution while the significant weather event is in effect. City staff add that crews might not be able to meet maintenance standards for roads, bike lanes, and sidewalks due to the significant amount of snowfall expected, and that it may take longer than usual to bring them back to optimal conditions. The snow squalls that have persisted Friday evening into Saturday morning and the ongoing Environment Canada snow squall warnings are cited as reasons for the significant weather event declaration. It was made in accordance with the minimum maintenance standards for municipal highways according to the city. Environment Canada had downgraded its snow squall warning for Barrie to a watch Friday afternoon, but upgraded it back to a warning late Friday evening. The National Weather Agency's storm total for their Barrie Oro station was an estimated 56 centimeters of snow as of Friday at noon. Residents are reminded that winter parking restrictions are to remain in effect. Specifically, on-street parking is prohibited on city streets from 12:01 a.m. until 7 a.m. and from 3 a.m. until 6 a.m. within the downtown business improvement area from December 1st through March 31st. Residents are also reminded to shovel a small area at the bottom of their driveways for garbage, recycling boxes, green bins, and Christmas trees, and to not place them on top of snowbanks. City staff say they will provide an update when the significant weather event ends. The City of Wind Sound and the Township of Springwater also made significant weather event declarations on Saturday. After Friday's snowfall, Barrie is getting 10 to 20 centimeters of the white stuff today, and as much as another 25 centimeters tonight, according to Environment and Climate Change Canada. Kevin Shuttleworth was out Saturday morning with his snowblower, cleaning his driveway and the sidewalk in front of his Innisfil Street home. "I just ran out of gas, so I have to do it the old-fashioned way," he said, taking up his snow shovel. "This is the 4th or 5th time I have cleared the driveway in the last few days. It's not letting up," he added, as the snow continued to fall. "It's just band after band of snow coming in." Shuttleworth looked up and down the street, which was partially cleared. "I just did the sidewalks an hour ago. You wouldn't even know I shoveled." Steve Kiersey found a full driveway of snow at his Adelaide Street home at midday Saturday. "I didn't realize there was so much," he said, idling his snowblower. "I would have come out yesterday." Parts of southern Ontario could receive snowfall between 20 to 40 centimeters or more by Sunday, Environment Canada warns. Lake-effect snow from Lake Huron and Georgian Bay is expected to become heavier throughout Saturday, the weather agency said in an alert Saturday morning. The following areas are under a snow squall warning: Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, Barrie, Collingwood, Hillsdale, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, and Orillia. More than 40 centimeters of snow is possible if snow squalls stay in one area, Environment Canada said. Heavy and blowing snow may suddenly reduce visibility to near zero. People are advised to consider postponing non-essential travel until the weather improves. Snow squalls should become less intense on Sunday, Environment Canada said. To the north, Bracebridge and Gravenhurst are also under snow squall warnings, with 15 to 25 centimeters of snow or more expected to begin falling Saturday afternoon. While Toronto is not under a weather warning, the city opened its warming centers on Friday as temperatures were expected to drop below -5°C. Temperatures fell to -4°C overnight, according to data recorded at Toronto Pearson International Airport. The city is forecast to see a high of -2°C on Saturday, with temperatures expected to feel like -13°C because of wind chill. Earlier this week, Environment Canada warned snow squalls could dump up to 60 centimeters of snow in some areas north of the GTA.